All right, I'm going to show you how to assemble one of these tensegrity models. You need 3 of the hair bands and 1 little rubber band, and you need your parts, the one you got from me and the one you laser cut, and you need 2 legs. So what you do is you take one of the legs and pop it into the slot, and it should be pretty hard to push in. That's just, but you can make it happen. You don't need glue. If you put it in and pull it out a couple of times, then you're going to have to glue it, because the part of what makes it work is how sturdy it is on the first try. Okay, so pop the legs in, or the arms, whatever you want to call them, and then pick one of the sides, and you're going to put the 3. Let's see, I don't mean to do it out of sight. You got to put the 3 hair bands on the same side. So pop it in like this, and then go to the next corner and put it on again. And then finally the third one, pop it in. Okay, so you see I've got the 3 bands on there like that. All right, and then we're going to put the top. It doesn't. They don't. The triangles have to line up. So the arms aren't lined up in the same direction. Okay, and then we got to put the bands. We want to put them evenly, as evenly as we can, on all 3 corners. So you're holding the top up, and then putting the hairband. Now see how there's a bit of a loop here? When it's not even, you want to pull a little bit, try to get them to be closer to even. So then I'm going to go to the third one. Doesn't have to be perfect. You can adjust it later, but I'm going to get the third one on. Again, that one's not quite even, so I'm going to pull a little bit around. Okay, so now you can see we're pretty close. The last thing, and it is tricky, is to get the rubber band across the inside. So I'm putting it on my fingers, and then that's probably not how to do it. I'm going to put it over the top one, and then I'm going to lift up the bottom, and whoop, it popped off. I'll try again. Thankfully, I've got lots of rubber bands in case you lose it. But put it over the top, and then put it over the bottom. Get it in the little grooves, and then you're good. If the sides aren't even, let's say I can make one uneven. Well, if there's if there's anything sloppy, you can wiggle the sides around a little bit. But there you go. This is your impossible tensegrity model, where it holds itself together and seems to defy gravity. And that's it.